How to create a new document in Pagemaker. Open Pagemaker. Click the File button, then click New. A dialog box will open. Here we can select the page dimension, orientation, margin, number of pages, etc. Once it finishes, then click the OK button. Now a new page open in Pagemaker. Select the typing tool. If you want to see the elements on your page at their actual printed size, click the actual size. Click the right button on your mouse and select actual size. If you want to save the document, click the File button and save.